Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Talk with Command and AI. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Chat GPT to create a bio for your real estate business. This is a really cool feature and it will definitely help save you some time. And Chat GPT can make things sound really good. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. The first thing that you want to do is sign up for Chat GPT. It's actually really simple. You're just going to click sign up and you can continue with Google, a Microsoft account, or continue with Apple, whichever one you'd like. I already have a couple of accounts, so I'm going to just select my account that I have there. Once you have signed into your account, it's going to give you those little pop-ups right there. Now, they do have a plus version of this. You do not need it. I do hear it is quite a bit better, but I haven't used it, and this version of ChatGPT has done great things for me. So a new chat is already available right here on the bottom, but it saves every query that you ever give ChatGPT. It's going to show right here along the left-hand side. But what you're going to want to do is give it commands. So you have to remember you're talking to a computer program. And when I first started using ChatGPT, I was asking it questions. And it still works that way, but it doesn't work as well. So if you want ChatGPT to do something for you, you tell it what to do, and then you refine it. For example, we're going to ask it to write us a bio for a real estate agent, that real estate agent being you. So you're going to say, write me a short bio. I am a real estate agent. I have been an agent for, let's say, 5 years. I have closed, I don't know, $7 million in the last 12 months. I have a team of 3 agents. Or you know what? Let's actually make this for a solo agent. I am a solo agent and offer premium service to my clients, and they have my direct attention. So you're just giving it a couple of things to work with. Now, you don't have to put everything in all at once. You can make it short in the beginning and then refine it afterwards. So let's see what it comes up with. So that's a little bit longer than I think most people will want to read on a bio. So let's say make the bio shorter. Okay, that might be a little bit too short. Let's see, how many paragraphs is that? One, two, three, four, five, six. Make the bio 4 paragraphs in length. There you go. That's about the right size of what I think most people would be willing to read in a bio. So let's go over it real quick. Your name is an accomplished and dedicated real estate agent with a proven record of success. With 5 years of industry experience, they have established themselves as a trusted professional in the competitive real estate market. In the past 12 months, your name has closed an impressive $7 million in real estate transactions, a testament to their exceptional skills and expertise. As a solo agent, your name takes pride in offering premium service to their clients. They understand the significance of real estate transactions and strive to provide direct attention and personalized care to each individual. By truly understanding their clients' needs and goals, your name ensures a tailored, satisfying experience throughout buying or selling process. With an in-depth knowledge of the local market and a keen eye for industry trends, your name guides their clients towards informed decisions. They go above and beyond to foster trust and open communication, building long-lasting relationships with their clients. Your name is committed to delivering top-notch service, offering guidance at every step of the journey to help clients achieve their real estate dreams. Professionally, Your name is recognized for their integrity, professionalism, and commitment to excellence. Their passion for real estate shines through in every interaction as they strive to exceed client expectations with a strong referral network and a loyal client base. Your name has earned a reputation as a reliable and results driven agent. Trust your name to provide exceptional service and expertise for all your real estate needs. So I think that came out pretty well, and I don't know if I'd want to adjust it at all. So what you do is you would simply copy that and then go into your command, go into your profile settings, and then it's going to go to connect settings, marketing profile, and then you could scroll down to where your bio is, and you could simply paste it. And now that information, obviously you'll want to replace your name with your actual name, but you have a bio that's unique and different from, what Scott Leroy sets you up with, and it sets you apart a little bit. And you can tailor those to any experience or any amount of sales or whatever it is. If you're a team, you could add that you have a team of X amount of people. And you might be saying to yourself, well, I'm a new agent, and that sounds good for someone who's got experience in sales, but what about a new agent? So let's go ahead and do one for a new agent as well. Well, we'll ask it to write me a bio for a real estate agent. This agent is brand new. Encourage people to work with this newer agent and be persuasive. This bio should be 4 paragraphs long. All right, so it lost the 4 paragraphs, so we will say it here. Make this 4 paragraphs long. So it's a little confused right now. Sometimes that happens and it continues to do the same thing over and over again. What I would do in this situation is I'd kind of read through it and take out whichever parts that you don't like. But let's just kind of take a quick look at it. Introducing a rising star in real estate. In the ever evolving world of real estate, a fresh face has emerged, ready to shake up the industry and redefine what it means to be an exceptional agent. Dynamic and driven professional bursting with passion and armed with latest market knowledge to guide you through your real estate journey. Okay, so you can kind of read through and see if any of this makes sense for you. If you don't think it sounds like you can ask it to adjust it. Maybe you want it to sound more personable. Make this more personable and shorter. Okay, so there it hit the 4 paragraph mark. Meet you, the fresh face in the real estate industry, ready to make a difference with an unwavering commitment to your satisfaction. Okay, brings a dynamic and personalized approach to every interaction. Despite being new to the industry, their hunger for success and natural flair set them apart. So you can see there's a lot of good stuff in here. It's pulling on proven bios that it has uploaded to it and kind of picking the best thing for each one. Now, for example, say you want it to talk about how you have several years in customer service prior to being in the real estate industry. You could tell it something like that. Like, talk about my 20 years in customer service prior to being in real estate. And it's going to adjust it based on the things that you tell it. Now remember, you're telling it commands and not asking it questions. You can pretty much refine as many times as you want, ask it, or rather tell it to adjust in any ways that you find fit. I find that this has been a great way to create bios, emails, listing descriptions, things like that. And I'll actually do a different video on how to create a listing description as well. But I kind of wanted to just share this with you as a tool. If you don't like it, I mean, you don't have to use it, but it can save you a lot of time and it sounds extremely professional. You can make it sound more personable. You can make it sound more professional. You can adjust it to make it shorter. You can adjust it to make it longer. You can tell it to use your name instead of agent's name. Use that name instead. And it will take out the your name part and put your name in there. You could say, I used to be in the military. If you are a military person, obviously don't say that if you're not in the military and have no experience in it and have knowledge of the special needs a military individual would need when they sell or buy a house. Include that information. So it says right there, with a solid foundation of 20 years in customer service and a background in the military, Daniel brings a comprehensive understanding of the challenges and considerations faced by military individuals when buying or selling a home. And it adjusts it to the criteria that you just put in there. Having served in the military himself, Daniel deeply appreciates the sacrifices and unique circumstances that military personnel encounter. He understands the importance of finding a home that meets not only your family's needs, but also accommodates the specific requirements of military life, such as proximity to bases, VA loan eligibility, and understanding the intricacies of permanent change of station moves. Now, obviously, you don't want to include that stuff if you're not in the military, if you've never been in the military. I've never been in the military. However, I am military relocation certified from the Las Vegas Realtors Association. So I could include something like that in my bio. But I just wanted to give you a couple of ideas on how to use this. It is a very, very awesome tool, and I will be doing more trainings on how to use it for other things. And I hope to see you there. Catch you later.